You need help?
Yes.
Right. Listen to me. Listen to me. Your greatest problem is your mouth. You talk a lot.
Oh.
Are you hearing me? Do you know me?
No,
I've never met, right? Your greatest problem is that you talk a lot. Do you have children?
One.
You've got a daughter. She's a girl.
The girl.
Her name is Tatu.
No.
Right? Tatu was born 2009.
Yes.
Professor, Tatu was born on the 22nd
Yes.
of February.
Yes.
Who's Maricela?
My father.
Okay. Professor, you've got a sister by the name of Sarah,
Yes.
which is your mother's last born.
Yes.
Sarah has got a daughter also
Yes.
called Ufente. Sarah was born the 17th of February. Is that true?
True.
Prophesy, Major.
Who's Mabu?
I know her from my sister-in-law's family.
From your sisters-in-law, Florida.
Bring it on, Major.
From Flora.
Who's Mohadi?
My sister from Mamfon.
From Mamho.
Yeah.
From Mamho. I flew here.
Oh, yes.
Went to Gauteng. I stood in Tembisa.
Oh, yes. Prophesy.
And when I stood in Tembisa, I saw you. When I'm still in Tembisa, I'm seeing you seated with a group of people in Tembisa. Have you ever been to Tembisa?
Yeah.
Have you ever stayed there? You've never stayed there. But I saw you there in Tembisa. When you were there, you were seated with a lady like a teacher. When you were seated with a lady like a teacher, I saw you people drinking. Professor, I saw you people drinking. And as I saw you people drinking, something happened in the realm of the spirit. There is a lady by the name of Tuli. You don't know Tuli? You don't know Tuli? Who is your friend from Gauteng?
Oh, yeah.
Moleboheng. Who's Moleboheng?
She was my cousin. She's dead.
You want to join Moleboheng? Your problem is your mouth. Forget your issue. Forget your condition. Your greatest problem. Are you hearing me?
Speak out. Yes.
Are you still drinking?
Sometimes.
I'm inside your... In fact, I got inside and I got stuck here because there is a blockage here, which makes it difficult for you to breathe.
Yes.
But then let me tell you, you brought this upon yourself. You brought this upon yourself.
Do something, Papa.
Let me tell you. I saw you with a group of people. The Lord God was about to lift you up. You opened your mouth, and there were wrong people that listened. And when those wrong people that listened, this is a lady. Are you hearing me? This is a lady. Because I saw something in the realm of the spirit. I saw when you conceived Tato, I saw people going to the father of Tato, telling him things that made up your relationship to be complicated. And I saw him coming out of the relationship. Are you hearing me? And when I checked, it was just a few years after giving birth to Tato. And the person who did this is one of your. Where is the father?
He passed away.
He passed away. I saw people going to him. 2 ladies. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Are you still with the father of this one? Since when?
November.
Since when? What happened?
I don't know. Because it happened again to one of them. He just went away.
But you had plan B.
No.
You had plan B. Okay, I'm still here. Go stand next to him. Yeah. Ask him what's his name. What's your other name?
Matun.
Who's Matun? Professor, you
Professor.
In the New Testament.
The mission does not want you to be in a cold environment. And I saw people which I will not mention by name.
Can you please mention them?
I won't. I saw them tying you. I said, before June ends, who's Lily?
You have 2 ladies.
Wait, you have 2 lilies. Medical lady or what? Medical lady.
Oh, my aunt, she passed away last year. Last year.
So how do you want me to help you?
She was brave. She lived like any other person.
So it's difficult for you to breathe.
Yes, but
What is the cause of it?
I don't know what I went to the hospital. They say it's pulmonary embolism after COVID.
After COVID.
Because I had COVID.
Now all the things you are telling me are not the reason behind your sickness. Now, for me to enter into your body and I get blocked here. Because it's like if you want to breathe, it's like you have to pump it inside. For me, there is a serious blockage in there. And for me to go with the blood like this, flow with the blood like this, is because this has disturbed the circulation of the blood.
Do something, Daddy.
Do something, man of God.
To such an extent that now I'm seeing you going to help yourself at the bathroom. And when I see you going there, I'm seeing you bleeding. Are you hearing me?
Yes, God.
I'm seeing you bleeding. The way out to this will be very much painful. This is a drink you took in. But then the problem was what you said, and people heard you. I want us to stretch our hands towards him. You know, in God there is solution, but have you ever seen God shaking his head? Like, I want you to ask forgiveness from the Lord concerning your past life. Oh my God. Concerning your past life. Those are guys, those are the whatever, begin to pray for him.